I can deal with it. Hope your family's still doing great. I miss them every Sunday. Friends probably hate me, wish you never met me. Fuck a happy ending. Since you left, it's 1, 2, 3. Now he's coming in close to me. I can't sleep, cause he's where you're supposed to be. And he's getting all the songs you used to get. He's getting all the words inside of my head. He's sleeping